back to another video. Today we're actually taking a look at AirTags. They've been delivered, so let's get into this parcel. I'm pretty excited for this. I've ordered quite a few little bits, so we'll see what we get. So if anyone doesn't know what an AirTag is, it's basically Apple's latest accessory that you can put in like keychains and various different things and track certain items so you don't lose things. So you can see here inside I've got quite a few. Let's open this up and take a look. So we've got some accessories here which we'll get into in a little bit, but we've got the AirTags themselves. So you can see here we've got the AirTag which is basically just a single AirTag. This retails for £29 here in the UK, or $29. And then they also do this in a 4-pack, which is a £99 investment. So yeah, you've got the two options there. As for the accessories, I did pick up a third-party accessory. This is the cheapest one that Apple actually sells. This is a keychain from Belkin. Then you've got then a £29 loop, which is a silicone loop, so similar to the cases on the phones. And then we've got a leather keychain, which is £35, the most expensive one, other than the Hermes ridiculous overpriced stuff. So let's get into the AirTag itself. I'm going to start with a single pack. We're going to take a look at this because, yeah, I'm excited for this. It's a new product category for Apple. It's something new, something we haven't had before. God, how can I even get into that? And I'm excited to see how small they are. I can tell you right away that just the packaging itself is super light, so it doesn't feel like there's anything in there. So if we open this up now, how do we do it? This way. So we've got like how to update your phone, and there it is, the AirTag itself. It's got a little sticky thing there holding it in place. And then we've got the tag itself. It's covered in this little plastic. This plastic is quite key because as soon as you pull this plastic out, it's going to activate the AirTag. So we need to do that right away. So here we go. If we take it off, we then take off the sticky, and then see here, as soon as we pull this bit now, it activates. There we go. As soon as you bring your phone closer to the AirTag, we've actually then got the AirTag symbol coming up there to get it all set up. You can set up a variety of things, so backpack, bike, camera, handbag, various other things. This one's going to be my keys, so I'm going to set up the keys one first. I then click register. I have my mobile phone number on this, so obviously if somebody found it, they could literally just say like, you know, give me a call or something. So now once you've set it up, you then go into the Find My app, and you can see here you've got play sound or find. So if I say play sound, then it plays a sound. It's actually pretty loud. And then you've got the other cool feature, which is find. So obviously here it's saying that's where it is. So we'll take a look at that feature in a little bit. Now I'm going to get into some of the accessories and stuff and take a look at all that. So the first one I'm going to look at is the loop. This is the plastic loop, the silicone one. So we're going to take a look at this. Quite rigid feeling, not too bad. But how this works is you basically pop this inside here. So we're going to pop this in here, this in. That pops in there like that. And then what this acts then is, now this is basically like some sort of tag. So this, you can actually attach it and put it round like this inside. And then this then can actually hang on, you know, a backpack or whatever. So this is quite cool. To undo, you just do simply like that, and then the tag itself comes out. So that's pretty nice. The next one, which is the Apple own one, is the leather, what's it called, leather keychain. So this is one that I would like to try out. Right from the bat though, I can see that it is premium quality. All of Apple's leather has been. I've had the cases on my phone and stuff, and it's probably going to weather really nice as well. The tag, the actual band as well, is actually really nice for the keychain, so that's really nice. Anyways, let's put in our AirTag now inside, and on the back you have like a shiny Apple effect, but this is going to scratch up loads, so I wouldn't be too precious with it. So there it is. My first impressions though, it is very lightweight, very thin, very small actually, and it's just a nice size. I don't know, it's pretty nice. But now though, we'll get into the 4-pack. For those of you that want to have more actual accessories and stuff tracked, then you'll have that option. For me, I'm just going to have a single one right now because I need to change my wallet and I'm spending a lot of money on Apple stuff, so I'm going to wait. But this does come like this. So you can see here you've got 4 different tags, and it's the same thing, but you can pick up 4 in one for £25 each instead of 1 for £29. So there's a little save in there if you're going to be wanting more. I probably will get one of these like next. Probably Hannah will have one for her keys. I'll want one for my wallet, one for my like drone bag thing, and then maybe one for like a camera or something else. So these will be handy to have, but right now I just can't really afford them. So But again, they're all the same thing. And what they do nice is you can actually get them engraved. So there is some images there on the screen. You can have like emojis and stuff on there, and it looks pretty cool. So enough about that. That's all the products that it comes with. I'm actually going to do an entire video on these third-party accessories, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be coming out very soon. So now I'm going to try and find my AirTag. I'm going to go and hide it, and then we're going to come back. So once you go back into the Find My app, you then go into Find. So now what it'll do is it'll open up this little user interface. So you can see here I'm actually 13 feet away from my AirTag. So if I keep moving, 14 feet, I'm like playing a game of hot and cold. So, oh, it's 16, so maybe I need to go this way. So 17, oh, it's found it in here. So you can see now as I move around the room and go left to right, it's obviously not going to be there. So it's telling me that I need to go this way. And as I walk forward, it's now telling me to bear right. You can see it's very, very cool. 7 foot ahead, and as you go in closer, there's haptics. I'm 2 feet away. So if I go this way, oh, it's not there. If I go this way, the haptics are getting here, and I'm also in here. There it is. It took me directly there, and then we get a nice animation. And as soon as I pick it up, it says here. That is pretty cool. What's nice as well is you get like a torch. You get like torch buttons and stuff. You obviously get the sound, which will alert this, and it's pretty loud. And yeah, as soon as you pick it up, I think it detects motion, so it knows that it's been found and picked up, so that's pretty cool. One thing I haven't seen other tech YouTubers do is ask their HomePod where their keys are. Now for me, that'll be a much big feature that I need, because I'm literally going to be going out the door, where's my keys? I want to be able to ask Siri, where's my keys?
Looking for James's keys. It's nearby. Bringing James's keys now.
And there it is. So now let's try it on a regular HomePod. Where's my keys?
Looking for James's keys. It's nearby. Bringing James's keys.
There we go. Works on both. The first time I tried it, it actually said, please pick this up on your iPhone. But for the second time, the third time, then it just worked. So it works on your HomePods, which I haven't seen nobody else cover. So yeah, so there it is. There's my video on the AirTag. I'm super happy to actually have one of these. I'm now going to be able to find my keys. I also really want one in my wallet. I'm hoping that this is thin enough to fit in there, because my wallet's quite a thin wallet. So I'm hoping this actually works. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. As I said, I'm going to be looking at all the third-party accessories in another video. That's going to be coming very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. I've got 3 to look at. We're going to be comparing them to the genuine Apple ones. And yeah, it's going to be good. So thanks very much for watching, guys. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Goodbye.